Process, it's your girl, Rosa naman. And for today's video, ay turo ko sa inyo yung Rich Girl na kinoreograph ni Orlando Lucas. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, is I-merit ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is naka-open na ganito yung inyong left hand. And yung right hand nyo is 1, 2. Okay, so yung inyong right leg is aangat siya pag pa-push yung inyong kamay dito sa harap. Okay, so medyo akbang yung inyong left leg. Then, up yung right leg, then down. So, pagka-down ng kamay nyo, dadaw nyo rin yung right leg nyo. Okay? So, dalawang beses yun. 1, down, 2, down. Okay? So, 1, 2. Then, after nyan, yung inyong left hand is dito sa left side ng chest nyo. Then, hakbang nyo yung inyong left leg dito sa left side. Okay? So, 1. So, magpapap ng ganyan or ipupush nyo yung chest nyo papunta dito sa left side. Then, balik. Okay? So, 1, 2, then left, tap, then right, tap. Okay? So, pagka dito sa right side, left, tap, then right, open nyo parehas yung kamay nyo. So, parehas ng kamay nyo is nasa side ng chest nyo. Then, push nyo pa forward, then tap. Okay? So, pagka-close ng inyong kamay ng ganito, is yakbo nyo yung inyong left leg dito sa right side. Okay? So, 1, 2, then left, tak, tak, tak. Okay? Then, after nyan is yung kamay nyo, kuklose nyo siyang ganito. Okay? So, naka-down yung inyong kamay. Then, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung katawan nyo, hakbang yung inyong left leg, pupunta sa left side. Then, tak, tak. Parang i-wave nyo yung katawan nyo. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, after nyan is, hakbang yung inyong right leg papunta dito sa right side. Then, tuck and okay. So, hakbang nyo yung right leg, then left. Okay. So, yung kamay nyo naman, dito sa legs nyo. So, parang, isi-shake nyo ganyan yung inyong dibdib. So, parang forward, then balik, forward, balik. Okay. So, 1 and 2. Okay, so pagka-close ng inyong kamay na ganito, dapat naka-close yung inyong left leg and right leg. Okay, so galing sa ganito, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, next step, after nung pag-clap yung ganito, is yung inyong kamay is pupunta dito sa side ng forehead nyo. Okay? So, right, left, and yung right nyo papunta dito sa left side ng hip, and left hand is papunta dito sa right side ng hip. Okay? So, 1, 2, and bend straight, bend straight. Okay? So, yung inyong right leg is magbe-bend siya, then straight, bend straight. Yung inyong left leg ay medyo pa-slant yung bend niya. Okay. So, yung kamay niyo naman is ikot lang siya pababa, then up, pababa, up. Okay. So, pag pababa yung inyong kamay, naka-straight yung inyong right leg, then pagkataas is magbe-bend yung right leg. Then, straight ulit, then bend straight. Okay. So, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. So, yung pag-touch nyo sa body nyo dyan is medyo yung katawan nyo pupunta lang siya sa left to right. Okay? So, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Okay? Then, after nyan is hakbang nyo yung inyong right leg paharap. Then, yung right hand nyo is closed. Then, paganito. Okay? Papunta siya sa left side. Okay? So, parang isuswing nyo siyang ganyan. Then, hakbang yung inyong left leg dito sa harap. Then, kung anong pose ang gusto nyo, pwedeng ganito, or kahit ano yan. And then, wave, wave. Okay, so yung wave nyo, papunta sa front, then back, front, then back. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, So that's it for today's video. Kung natutunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!